Are you getting memory configured incorrectly error on system startup? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you encounter the memory configured incorrectly error on system startup, the solutions shown in this video will help you. When you turn on your system, it performs the post. If the system detects any hardware issues, it halts the boot process and displays the respective error message. Your system cannot boot into Windows until you fix this error. Now let's get started on how to fix the issue. Method 1. Clean and reinstall RAM. Dust accumulation can cause multiple performance and hardware-related issues in a computer. Your RAM sticks might be unable to make contact with the motherboard, due to which your system is showing this error. To confirm this, turn off your computer and open its case. Carefully remove the RAM sticks and clean them with a soft cloth. Also, clean the RAM slots. Now reinstall the RAM sticks and turn on your system. Method 2. Clear CMOS. If you still encounter the error after cleaning the RAM, resetting the CMOS may help. Clearing the CMOS also resets your BIOS settings to the default. Therefore, if you can boot into BIOS, note down all the current BIOS settings before performing a CMOS reset. This will allow you to reapply the same BIOS settings. Force shut down your computer and open its case. Locate the small coin-shaped battery. Gently pull it out of the socket and wait for a few minutes. Reinstall the battery with the right polarity. Now turn on your system and see if the error occurs. Method 3. Test your RAM sticks. Your RAM might be faulty. If your system has more than one RAM stick, one of them might be faulty. If your system has only one RAM stick, you can test it by installing it on another working computer. However, in this case, the RAM should be compatible with that computer. If you have multiple RAM sticks, remove all of them and boot your computer with one at a time. This troubleshooting process will take time but help you identify whether your RAM is faulty. Method 4. Decode the beep sound. Do you hear a beep sound when you turn on your computer? If so, there might be a hardware fault causing this error. Motherboards are programmed to emit a beep whenever they detect a hardware issue. These beep codes differ by motherboard brand. If you hear a beep sound, refer to the user manual of your motherboard to decode that beep code. This will let you know that the problem is associated with which hardware. Some motherboards also have LED indicators to show a hardware fault. Open your computer case and then turn on your computer. Check if any LED indicator on your motherboard turns on. If yes, troubleshoot the issue accordingly by referring to your motherboard's user manual. Method 5. Verify the RAM configuration with the user manual. According to the error message, there is an issue with your RAM configuration. This usually happens when you install RAM incorrectly. To check this, refer to the user manual for your computer or motherboard. Method 6. Hardware fault. If none of these fixes help you, there might be a hardware fault in your system. The problem may be with your RAM sticks or the RAM slots. Take your computer to a professional computer repair shop for further assistance. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.